we're going to discuss the last element of the manage part of the ALM model, which stands for attract, leverage, and manage. And today we're going to discuss about how most financial decisions are made nowadays. Let's do it. Now, this might be not very surprising for you, but most financial decisions that people make nowadays comes from the advice of product salespeople that earn a commission. And that doesn't mean that that's wrong, and that doesn't mean it's right. It doesn't mean anything. It just is. But it's very, very important when somebody approaches you with an investment idea, when somebody approaches you with a passive income plan idea, you should always understand what is the intention of the person offering to you. If it's an advisor or a person making a commission, you should understand if I buy option 1, how much they make, and if I buy option 2, how much they make. Because this way, at least you understand if they make a bigger commission from one versus the other, you understand their intention and you can do more due diligence. I'm not saying that the option that they make more commission is the wrong option. Could be it's the right option. I don't know. But at least you make a decision. At least you make your due diligence. At least you know with what you're dealing. Same thing, somebody wants to sell you something that they own. You should understand what is their intention here. How are they going to profit from the transaction? And again, it doesn't mean right or wrong. It just means that you understand what's going on, and you understand what you're playing with, and it's going to help you in making a decision, and it's going to help you in choosing how much due diligence you should have. And not only that, very strongly encourage you, before you do anything, pay somebody, a consultant, pay somebody to review what you're offered. Somebody who doesn't have any bias besides helping you accomplish what you want to accomplish. He's not a part of the transaction. He just wants to help you accomplish what you want to accomplish. Remember, always, 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 always look after your best interest. Because if you're not gonna do it, nobody else will. Everybody has their biases. Everybody has their intentions. And nobody cares about your money more than you do. I'm super excited that you joined me on this 14-day passive income challenge. I hope it helped you, and I would love to hear your success stories, how it helped you, and how it got you to a better place in your passive income planning and in your life in general. Thank you so much for joining me in today's part of the 14-day passive income challenge. I highly encourage you, if you want to get any updates from us on our passive income journeys that we're teaching, we're educating people, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. Let us know how we can help you. Let us know what you want to hear from us. And I'm looking forward being with you on this exciting journey together.